my channel. I'm Marielle, also known as ItsaCurlysituation, and if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm filming another product empties video. So I have my bag of trash here, and it's quite big, and this is over like a month and a half. So I've been using this, and some of these products I've had for a long time. I just barely finished them, and some of them are slightly not finished because I don't plan on finishing them. They're going in the trash. So the first product I pulled out is the Eco Styler olive oil gel, and there's this one here, and this one is empty. As you can see, I've been enjoying this one much more than the argan oil gel. Even though it's a level 10 hold, I feel like it's slightly less hold than the argan oil gel. So if you've been thinking about trying this one, I will recommend it. Another product that I pulled out is by Carol's Daughter, and it's the Hair Milk curl defining butter, and it says it's for curls, coils, kinks, and waves, and it looks like this. You can see that. And that's the Hair Milk line. It has a little bit left. It smells just like the Hair Milk line. Like if you know Carol's Daughter, then this smells like the Hair Milk line. It has like that sweet floral scent. I didn't really like the Hair Milk line. I like the Cocoa Cream line better, but if you've been thinking about trying this, I would say it's moisturizing. I just find the Cocoa Cream one to be more moisturizing than this one for my hair. So I didn't really like the Hair Milk line, so I just won't be buying this anymore. So I had to finish it up, and I don't want to finish it up. I'm done with it. Another product that I have is the So Real Edge Silk Amazing Control with Argan Oil. It's called a hair gel. It looks like this. But this is an edge control, you guys, and it is pretty much done. Like I have little bitty pieces in there, but this is done. And I got this from my local beauty supply. So if you've been thinking about trying the So Real Edge Silk, like this is not a popular edge control that a lot of people don't like talk about, but this one is so bomb for like protective styles, box braids, French braids, any protective style that you would do, that I do. I always go for this edge control. It's really nice, and it holds for a long time, and it works well with my fine hair. So I really enjoyed that one. So I will be repurchasing this when I do protective. Another product that I pulled is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask with Silk Protein and Neem Oil, and it looks like this. And this is just the Curl and Shine hair mask. It goes with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. They look exactly the same, so be careful when you buy it. As far as this product, it is pretty much done. I found this deep conditioner to be quite moisturizing, like extremely moisturizing. So I would recommend it if you wanted to give this a try, but this is not my favorite mask, so I won't be repurchasing it. I actually like the Manuka honey and Mfear oil one because it smells amazing, and I just love that one. So I enjoyed this one, but I don't love it, so I don't plan on repurchasing it. But I did enjoy it. So another product that I pulled is the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair protein power treatment, and it looks like this. And this one is pretty much almost empty. Like I have just a little bit. I can just mix this with another deep treatment, and I'll be done with it. But it's literally probably about a tablespoon in there. For this one, it says it's a protein power treatment. For me, I didn't find it to be strengthening to my hair, but I found it to be hydrating. So it is a hydrating treatment for my hair. I just didn't find it to be strengthening. It smells really good. So if I wanted to buy like a moisturizing treatment and this was like on sale or something, I would pick this up again. I did enjoy it. I just didn't find it to be a protein treatment for my hair, but I really, really like the smell of it, the texture of it, and it was very hydrating. It's just really, really thick to work on your hair, but I enjoyed it. Another product that I pulled is the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask, and it looks like this. And this is the Rosemary Mint Mine. It is pretty much done. I have a little bit left. Maybe I'll mix that with my protein powder down there. This is my favorite mask. This is in rotation. I always have this on deck. Like, I never run out of this one. I always re-up on another one. So I have a whole full one in my bathroom. This is my favorite protein treatment. It says it's a strengthening hair mask, and I find it to be very strengthening. Like, I love this mask. This is my favorite protein strengthening mask. So it's this one, my protein, and then my moisturizing one is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mfear oil. So definitely will be repurchasing this, and I absolutely love this one. Another product empty that I pulled is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mfear oil intensive hydration hair mask with fig extract and baobab oil, and it looks like this. And I just said that this is my favorite. This one's pretty empty. I actually mixed in some amla powder in here to finish it off. This is my favorite hair mask. Like, this is number one. This is number one. Again, this is never out of stock. I always repurchase this. It smells so good, and it works amazing. Like, it legit moisturizes my hair. It smells so good, and it does what it says. It hydrates your hair, and it smells amazing. So my favorite, would recommend this one. My top product. Another product empty is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and that's the OG one. And this one is pretty much empty. And this one smells so good. They smell so good. Shea Moisture has really good smelling products. I really enjoyed this one for like a moisture boost for my hair. This is super moisturizing, and I kind of buy this mostly during the summertime. I don't really buy this no other time of year, just when it's really hot outside, because this is super moisturizing, and it's going to hold the moisture. Like, your hair is going to hold that moisture in for days. So I would recommend this one if you're looking for a moisturizing product. This one is it. It is amazing. It's OG. Like, this is the original like curl like definer when you first go natural. This is the product that the people are going for. So I really appreciate this. I enjoy it. It was bomb. But I don't buy it often. I buy it like mostly during the summertime. So another product that I pulled is the Grapeseed Oil, the Now Grapeseed Oil, and it's 100% pure sensitive skincare, and it looks like this. And this is just grapeseed oil. I use grapeseed oil to seal my ends because it's a lightweight a lightweight oil, and it doesn't break me out, and it's not too heavy for my fine hair. So I seal with grapeseed oil, and I also use it on my body. So that's that. Another empty that I pulled is the Main Choice Soft as Can Be 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner Co-Wash Leave-In / Detangler, and it's this one here. And for this one, I enjoyed it, but I don't like the smell. It smells like medicine. Ew. Smell well for me. It smells like medicine. So I didn't really like that one. And I didn't find it to be like extraordinary. I didn't find it to do anything to my hair. It was just a basic leave-in, and it doesn't smell good. It smells like medicine, so I won't be repurchasing that. No, thank you. Another empty is the Kinky Curly Come Clean Natural Moisturizing Shampoo. Looks like that. And this is the Kinky Curly Line shampoo. This is my absolute favorite shampoo. This is my go-to shampoo when I really want to clean my hair. Just clean it, but it doesn't strip your hair where it feels dry. It strips it just right to where it feels like moisturized and clean, if that makes sense. And this is my go-to shampoo, like this one, and I also use the leave-in, but it's not empty right now. But this is my favorite shampoo. So if you've been thinking about trying this, I would recommend this one because it's pretty good, and a little goes a long way, and it lasts for quite a bit of time. Because if you don't shampoo your hair often, then you know this will last a while because you don't need very much. Another Empties that I pulled that I turned into a spray bottle is the Allokay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner, and it says it contains natural ingredients for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair. And it looks like this. I hope you guys saw that. And this is the original leave-in. This smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. It smells like lemon candy, like a lemon cupcake. It smells so, so good. And I find this to be super, super moisturizing. So I added water in it just to get the rest out. And I find this to be really useful when you want to slick your hair down for like a bun style. I used this as my leave-in, and I applied my gel for a bun style, and my bun lasted for 5 days. Like, I didn't even need a lot of touch up. So whatever's in this, it really laid my hair down. And it's super moisturizing. It smells great. And I also enjoy using this when I have my protective styles. I spray this on my scalp to moisturize my hair. So I really enjoy this, and I would definitely recommend it. So yes, smells good. It's amazing. Another product that I pulled is the Shea Moisture Moringa and Avocado Power Greens Conditioner. And it says to moisture and nourish weak, dull, curly, coily hair, sulfate free and color safe. And that looks like this. I really didn't enjoy this at all. Like the Power Greens line, I didn't enjoy it. I didn't get the purpose of it, and I didn't find it to be doing anything to my hair. No moisture, no nourish, no nothing. I didn't enjoy this at all. Like, I wouldn't recommend this at all because I didn't find it doing anything to my hair besides being called Power Greens, and you thinking that there's avocado in it, and you thinking that this is, I didn't enjoy this line at all. And it's like one of the first product lines that I didn't enjoy from Shea Moisture, so I didn't enjoy this one. And also, like, as this set, the liquid and product in here, they started to separate, so you have to like shake it, and then when you put it in your hand, it's like a liquid and cream product in your hand. And I didn't enjoy this, and I will not buy this again, and I wouldn't recommend it. So no. Another empty that I have here is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter for very dry, curly to coily hair, and that's this one here. And this is the Cocoa Cream line, you guys. This is my favorite product. Favorite. This is my favorite product. Favorite. The smell came. It smells so good. It's moisturizing. This is my top product. I have 2 of these. I think I have 3 of these probably, but I know for sure I have 2. I dropped it. This is my favorite product. Very moisturizing, creamy, smells great, leaves your hair moisturized for days. It's good under a wash and go. It's not too heavy on your hair. It's just, I love this for my hair. This is my perfect moisture coil defining leave-in. I use it for everything. My leave-in, my moisturizer. I love this product. This is my favorite product, and I would highly recommend it. So really enjoy this one. The last product that I pulled is the Shea Moisture Moringa and Avocado Power Greens Reconstructor to nourish and transfer weak, dull, curly, coily hair. And that's this one here. I didn't enjoy this either. I just didn't enjoy the Power Greens line at all. Like, I got the conditioner and the deep conditioner, and I didn't enjoy it. I have none left, just a little bit in there, but it's pretty much gone. I just didn't find this line doing anything to my hair. Like no defining, no strengthening, no moisture, just nothing to my hair. So I didn't enjoy the Power Greens line and I wouldn't recommend it. So that's a no for me. So those are all of my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying my natural hair empties because this is my second one. I don't really do these, but I think it's helpful to, you know, if you're a new natural. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.